Hello everyone, my name is Payal Shivshankar Patil. Today's date is 11 September 2024 and my topic name is Full Stack Development. Full Stack Development involves working on both the front end that is client side and back end that is server side of a web application. A full stack developer is proficient in both aspects as well as in the database and the other technologies required to build a complete web applications. Then the first in full stack development, that is front end development, which is also known as client side. Purpose of front end development is focuses on the user interface and user experience of a web application. Technologies used in front end development, that is HTML defines the structure of web pages. CSS styles the HTML elements to make the application look appealing, and then JavaScript, which is used to add interactively and dynamic behavior to web pages. Then the frameworks in front end, frameworks and libraries in a front end development, that is React, JavaScript library for building user interface, Angular, a platform for building mobile and desktop web applications. Then the a progressive JavaScript framework for building UI, user interface, that is tools, Webpack, Babel, NPM, Yarn, SAS, etc. Then second is backend development, that is server side. Purpose of backend development is manage the server applications and database. It ensures the applications work smoothly, handles logic and interacts with the database. Then the technologies used in backend, that is Node.js, JavaScript runtime for server side programming, Python often used with the frameworks like Django or Flask. Then the Java used with frameworks like Spring, Ruby, often used by the Ruby on Rails. Then the PHP, commonly used with Laravel, Symfony, and the framework in backend technologies, that is Django, Express.js, Spring Boot, Ruby on Rails, etc. Then API development, REST GraphQL for handling data requests between client and server, authentication and authorization, JWT, OAuth for managing user sessions and access controls. Then the third is database management, purpose responsible for data strong retrieval and management. Types of databases in backend technology, that is relational database, MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, use SQL for data queries. NoSQL database, in that MongoDB, Cassandra, use of document or key value storage models. Then the database skills, that skills required, that is query optimization, database schema, design, data modeling, and migrations. In full stack development, fourth is version control. In a version control, tools, that is GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and the purpose of version controls: tracks changes in the code, manage versions, and support collaboration among developers. And five is developers and deployment purpose. Manages the development, ceiling, and monitoring of applications. Then tools and practices, that is CI/CD, pipelines, Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitLab, CI/CD for continuous integration and deployment. Docker, Kubernetes for deploying applications in containers. That's all about the full stack development. Thank you so much.